Reversing and visibility, traveling. Reversing vehicles are still a significant factor in accidents, injuries, and fatalities in the workplace. Guidance recommends that the most effective option and as the first course of action is to prevent the reversing of vehicles. Where this is not reasonably practicable, such as in the case of loading shovel operations, then other measures can be taken, with the next step being the restriction of loading shovel operations to within a segregated, controlled area. Loading shovels, by the nature of their work, can undertake a significant amount of reversing, often within tight confined areas where the movement of other plant and people can occur. Because of the design of a loading shovel, there is limited vision from the operator's seat, and additional vision aids such as mirrors and CCTV systems can provide some assistance in providing all-round vision. However, each vision aid can have limitations, and although CCTV systems are commonly used, they can be ineffective in strong sunlight. Mirrors for reversing have traditionally had a limited field of vision, but convex types are now being fitted as they provide a wider field of vision compared with conventional mirrors. Certain CCTV systems indicate the range of, or distance from, an object, but the image can be distorted if the correct vision mode is not selected, as some systems require settings to be changed to a reversing mode when reversing is to take place. Irrespective, operators must use all aids available at all times and not rely on one single system. Radar systems that detect the movement of other plant, vehicles, or persons are becoming more common. Most systems allow the sensitivity to be adjusted, but in confined or congested areas often operators excessively reduce the sensitivity in order to avoid false readings from objects outside the working area, so they have not picked up objects or structures directly behind the machine. Operators need to follow the radar system's manufacturer's recommendations for adjusting radar sensitivity, and again not rely on one type of visual or electronic aid. Fitting of oversized bucket has caused accidents, because it not only affects stability when the loading shovel is loaded, but has severely restricted the vision of the operator, causing them to strike other machines or structures.